Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna unbox this new Realme P4X model. Let's unbox this and get a quick review about this. So let's unbox. Here you can see Realme P4X 5G model, and at this side you will see the branding over here, Realme P4X, and at the back you will see some of the specifications are there by the Realme. So you can see it is a 6GB 128GB model, and its processor is Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G chipset. That is very good part of this smartphone, with 7000 mAh Titan battery, 50 megapixel of AI camera, and 144 Hz of eye care sunlight display. So friends, here I'm just opening this box right now. So in this you will see here it is make it real. Let's open this box, and in this you will see one, here it is the handset here. Let's keep it aside and check what else in the box. Here it is, one adapter is given, that is 45 volt of fast charging adapter. You can see here it is, its specification, it is 45 volt of adapter. Then here it is one charging cable, USB to USB type C. There it is, and it is also very fast charging. Here it is the SIM tool. You can see this is the SIM tool, and here I have this box friends. You can see that. Let's open this. So here it is, case is given in the box accessory. Some manuals and quick guides are there, and one flexible case is there. You can see how flexible it is, and it is very good. The quality of the rubber is very smooth and good. You can see. Let's talk about the phone. So friends, let's keep this box aside and open this box and unwrap this smartphone friends. So here are we. Let's open this. So friends, you can see the color. Friends, in this model there are three colors are there: silver, and I have this lake green color, and another one is elegant pink color. So you can see this is the aluminum, and its back is very good. It has two cameras. Let's talk about these ports friends. So you get one power on off button, volume up and down button. At the top you will see there are one speaker is given over here, and one microphone is there. At this side, at the down button, down space, you can see here it is SIM tray, one microphone is there, and type C charging port, and one speaker. So friends, let's open it. And its Antutu score is very good, 7 lakhs 80,000 plus, and that supports 90 fps of BGMI support. That is insane about it. What's outstanding battery? It has extra battery with 7000 mAh Titan battery, and you can see it is very lightweight. About the 7000 mAh battery, it is quite lightweight also. So friends, you can see the phone is now open. So let's open the refresh rate first. Open the settings, and here you have to type refresh rate and click on search. So friends, you will see here it is high, a maximum refresh rate of 144 Hz for smoother animations and operation, but it consumes more battery power. So you can use this auto select. Whenever it needed, it will be selected to high and then standard. Then let's talk about the smoothness, friends. You can see how fast the app opens. You can see, so it is very smooth. You can jump over another apps in just quick things and it will open very fast. You can see like this. Friends, it is moisture resistant with touch controls. And let's talk about the this brightness also. You can see it has a 1000 nits peak brightness. You can see like this. And friends, let's talk about the camera. So let's open its camera. You can see it has 50 megapixel of AI camera in there, and it records, you can see in there, 4K at 60 fps. That is very good. You can see, let's click some picture and I will tell you the quality. So friends, you can see I have clicked some of the pictures. This is the back camera photo. When you just zoom it in the pixel width, you can see it will be in full screen, right? And you can see the quality after zooming. It is very good. You can see that when you just zoom it, the quality remains the same. So these are the two photos. You can see I have one selfie also. Here it is the selfie photo. When you just zoom it, you can see the clarity in the full screen. So here are some of the modes are also there. There are lots of modes: pro mode, high res, pano, street, film, slow motion, Brino scan, tilt shift, text scanner. There are lots of things in the camera also. AI landscape is also there. You can see that. Friends, it's, you can see the display. So the display size of this smartphone is 6.72 inch. You can see the in my hands it look good, the 6.72 inch. And let's talk about the front camera. Its front camera is 8 megapixel front camera, and back camera is 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel of camera. And its processor is very good in gaming. If you are a gamer or plays any games, that is Dimensity 7400 Ultra octa-core processor, 2.6 gigahertz clock speed with 8 GB and 128 GB ROM. So friends, let's test its speed and the speaker also. So friends, first let's check the video quality of this phone. Let's write here video. So friends, you can see the brightness and the video quality. I will first click on the quality. Here it is advanced. Here it is 2160 pixel at 60 fps plus HDR. Let's click on that and I will go for the full half of the brightness, and you can see the clarity. The clarity is very insane. You can see, if you are a movie lover or anything, so you can watch in this mobile phone. The quality is very good. So friends, let's test the speaker test also. So friends, here it is. This is half of the volume, right? Let's quickly. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. friends, you can see the quality of the speaker, the bestest speaker in just this price. So you can see when I just tap on the volume button, it is 400%, and you can see in all the things there are 400 plus volume speed. The speed, the quality, the bass is very good about this smartphone. With this battery life, you can play as much you want. Friends, let's open the settings, and you can see here in the this about phone, you can see the all specification here. You can just extend the RAM. You can see 6 GB and 8 GB also you can extend. It means it has 14 GB of total RAM. You can see the camera's display model. Here it is. So what do you think of the Realme P4X 5G? Let me know in the comments down below. Are the picking this one up? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.